What's up guys, and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this 9 square root math problem, and we are to find the value of x. So the first thing guys we want to do is to simply factor out the common term in the left hand side of this equation. So by factoring out the common term, we have the common term to be the square root of x squared. Now if you factor this out, we have this to be 1 plus 1, which is equal to x squared. So we have this to be the square root of x squared multiply 1 plus 1 is 2, which is equals to x squared. So we have this to be 2 into the root of x squared is equal to x squared. So the next thing we want to do right here is to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have 2 into the root of x squared all square is equal to x squared all square. So we have 2 raised to the power of 2 multiply the root of x squared all square is equal to x raised to the power of 2 multiply 2 from the property of exponent that says if we have a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to the power of m multiply n, alright? So from here, 2 raised to the power of 2, we have this to be 4. Multiply this, we cancel out this, we have this to be x squared, which is equals to x raised to the power of 2 multiplied 2, we have this to be 4. So 4 multiply x squared will give us 4x squared, which is equals to x raised to the power of 4. So the next thing we want to do is to simply rearrange this equation and set it to 0. So we have x raised to the power of 4 minus 4x squared is equals to 0. So we want to simply factor out the common term, and we have the common term here to be x squared. And if we factor this out, we have x squared minus 4, and this is equals to 0. So from here we have that x squared is equals to 0 and x squared minus 4 is equals to 0. So we have x is equals to 0. Then from here we can easily express 4 as 2 raised to the power of 2. Okay, so we have this to be x squared minus 2 raised to the power of 2, which is equals to 0. And if we apply this property that says a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b multiply a minus b. So from here we have that a is equals to x and b is equals to 2. So we have that x is equals to 0, and we have this to be x plus 2 multiply x minus 2, and this is equals to 0. So x plus 2 is equals to 0 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. So from here we have that x is equal to 0 minus 2 and x is equals to 0 plus 2, x is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to 2. So hence we have this to be x is equals to 0 minus 2 and 2, and this becomes the value of x. So to verify, we have the equation to be given as the root of x squared plus the root of x squared is equal to x squared, and we have that x is equals to 0 minus 2 and 2. So we're going to say for x equals to 0, we have this to be the square root of 0 squared plus the square root of 0 squared is equals to 0 squared. So we have this to be the square root of 0 plus the square root of 0 is equals to 0. Square root of 0 is 0 plus the square root of 0 is 0, which is equals to 0. So 0 is equals to 0. So we have that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So we're going to go to the next one, which is for x equals to minus 2. We have the equation to be x squared plus into the root of x squared is equals to x squared. So we have this to be the root of minus 2 all square plus the square root of minus 2 all square is equals to minus 2 all square. So we have this to be the root of minus 2 all square is 4 plus the square root of 4, which is equals to minus 2 square is 4. The square root of 4 is 2 plus the square root of 4 is 2, which is equals to 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4, which is equals to 4. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So lastly we say for x equals to 2, we have this to be the square root of 2 square plus the square root of 2 square is equals to 2 square. We have this to be the square root of 4 plus the square root of 4 is equals to 4. Square root of 4 is 2 plus 2, which is equals to 4. Now we have this to be 4 equals to 4. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and we have been able to verify this right here. So guys, this is how you can solve this 9 square root math problem, and we have been able to find the value of x, and we have the value of x to be equals to 0 minus 2 and 2. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video, and do well to subscribe to Mathematical Mindset.